Param Pujyapad,
Parama Anuragi,
the Param Anuragi, Sri Krishna Bhakta Churamani Kavindra, Sripad Leela Shuk. He, in his Sri Krishna Karanamrita Grantha, on the 56th shloka, is mentioning about Vrindavan's boundaries. He is able to see all the darshans of the pastimes of Sri Krishna. And over here, at continuously shloka after shloka, he had mentioned about the Shakhat darshan of Sri Krishna that he is mentioning. The shloka.
Prasyama pratinava kanti kandaladram Pasyama pati pati shaishabang murare.
He, with firm confirmation, he have taken the shelter of Sri Krishna, that Sri Krishna is my Prabhu and my protector all the time. That belief, of that devotee and all the obstacles of that devotee for which he for which those obstacles needed to be erased out, and the devotee is firm and full belief that he will be surely looking after his bodily, mind, the society way, or whatever the obstacles that will be coming on his way towards progression in devotional field. These obstacles will be erased out. This is the vrata of his. So that Murari, he is the teenage boy of Sri Krishna, in the beauty that he is having. This we find in every corner of Vrindavan. Leela Suk is mentioning that Vrindavan's every nook's corner, Sri Krishna's Madhurji can be seen. And in Bhajya Dasha, or in other way, this shloka's description is that Leela Suk has started his journey from the South India and is progressing towards Vrindavan, and he is thinking about the past times. When he came down till Mathura, at that time he started that Sfurti Dasha of Sri Krishna, as because this Mathura Mandal, this Vrindavan Dham are always a place of Sri Krishna's Sfurti. The way one will be looking only Sri Krishna's pastimes places. Gopuraj Nanda said that Uttam, this Brajabhumi, by staying over here in Brajabhumi, one cannot forget Sri Krishna. This land actually used to help the devotee to always remember Krishna. Those who are devotees, they say that this land, you stay on this land without creating any aparadha. And this dham, this soil will be helping you out for sadhana and bhajan. They will be providing you the association of devotees, Vaishnavas, and all the obstacles will be moved out, and you will be able to progress in devotional field. That's why one needs to come down over here in Dham, one needs to stay over here, and this is the highest bhajananga of practicing. If in the mouth the Harinam is not coming, if the body is not capable enough of serving, but the one remains in Dham, then obviously the Dhameshwari and Dhameshwar will be providing the Karuna as he is staying over here. So that means I have the responsibility to look after them. I must give him the shelter of mine. Jai Jai Shri Radhesha. So Nanda Maharaj said that Priya Uddhav, the way I am looking, either Jamuna side or Manas Ganga side, I could remember so many pastimes, so many plays my beloved son had done. Every forest is having this Gocharan Leela, and that's why I cannot forget him. And his remembrance becomes more firm. Those who love Krishna, for them it is very simple to remember Sri Krishna. That Govardhan, Jamuna and the forest, that Kunja and the Ras Leelas, and that Brajajan, the friends, the parents, and in this place one can easily remember the pastimes. And when Mahaprabhu out of Prema Vishta, he see the forest as he is coming over here from Jharkhand to here through forest, just to remember Sri Krishna. By seeing the forest, the one, he will recall about Vrindavan. By seeing Parvat, he will recall about Govardhan Parvat. He, when was staying in Nilachal, and so when he was coming over here through various ways, so all these ways actually helped Mahaprabhu recall Sri Krishna. The rivers would recall him about Jamuna. The sadhak need to do it like this. This bhava the devotee should be taking. All the places, every places, one should be recalling about Vrindavan. By seeing the forest, one sees Vrindavan. By seeing hill, one will recall Govardhan. Let it be any hill, in any country. Where he will be seeing the river, he will recall about Kalindi. And Prabhu just start dancing by getting in depth into the Leela. When he was in Nilachal, in Premavesha, while going to Vrindavan, that prema multiplied 100 times, that I am going to Vrindavan. My aim is Vrindavan. When he is moving into Jharkhand, Middle India, So, just entering into that forest, 100 times the prem developed. And Mathura, when he saw 1,000 times. And when in Vrindavan, it took the 1,000,000 times. As in other places, this prema used to fluctuate by recalling the name of Vrindavan. So Leelasuk, when came down here in Mathura, at that time Krishna's Spurti was taking place. And he said, Hey Govinda, as you had this vow that your devotee will never diminish, by recalling this we are just holding our life, as in order to get you we have come down over here. The shloka. Iti sangsmritya pranan dharayamaham. And you also had mentioned that the person who once says that, oh Krishna, I belong to you now, then immediately Sri Krishna used to take him out of this painful world. The shloka, Bhagavad Gita. So therefore, why you won't be doing mercy on us? As the one who have taken the shelter of yours, you have taken the vow that you will be providing the shelter. So every time you will be providing the Kaishor Shava, the teenage beauty is available throughout Vrindavan. This Kripa of Sri Krishna, this attraction force that he is attracting everybody in Vrindavan. Sri Krishna wants that in this Vrindavan, the Rasa Upasana, this Madhuri, in the world, let everyone know. Let everyone come over here in Vrindavan and take the Anugatta of Vrindavan and be blessful. By taking the Anugatta of Vrindavan, with both body as well as mind, take the shelter of Vrindavan and get involved in this Upasana of Sri Krishna. This is Mahaprabhu's vow, that my beloved place is Vrindavan and Mathura, and from there I will be just spreading the dharma. That with mom's instruction I am staying here in Nilachal, and by staying here in Nilachal I am unable to spread or publicize Krishna consciousness properly. So the Vaishnavas will be looking after the Vrindavan, the Vairagya Shikshan, the renounced, how a renounced devotee should be living, how a devotee will be staying. These things Mahaprabhu sent Sanatana Goswami Prat, and before that Loknath Goswami Pad, Bhugarbha Goswami Pad were also sent. Subuddhi Rai came to visit them, and later Sri Rup Anupam also came. And after that Sanatana Goswami Pad, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami Pad, Gopal Bhatta Goswami Pad, they all, and lastly Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. And after that Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Pad. And later on many more came. Previously also they came. Chandidas, Vidyapati, Govinda, Jayadev, Leelasuk, our Madhavendra Puripad, etc.
পরবর্তীকালে
And in the previous time, Srinivas, Narottam, Shamananda Prabhu,
এলেন আমাদের সিদ্ধ বাবা,
and our Siddha Babas.
যদি তারা না
If
আসতেন,
they would not have come over here,
এই স্থানে
and
সাধনা
they
করে
had not done the sadhana over here,
আর
and
এই ভূমির
this
এবং
place,
রাধা মাধবের
this
মহিমা,
Radha Madhav's
উপাসনা,
Mahima, Upasana,
আরাধনার
Aradhanas,
বিধি বিশ্বে প্রচার না করতেন,
procedures, if they had not
আচার
publicized
প্রচার
it,
এই কর দুই কার্য। মহাপ্রভু হরিদাস ঠাকুর
Mahaprabhu is asking Haridas that you are practically doing this and plus you are letting others to do it. So you are the perfect sage. That's why Sri Chaitanya Manobhishta means what?
মহাপ্রভুর হাত তো কি এইভাবে যাতে
That in this
আচরণ,
way,
আস্বাদন
if
এবং বিতরণের
somebody
যে
should be
ধারা,
tasting it and somebody would be publicizing it, let this flow remain continuously without disruption. Our Param Aradharatama Sisila Guru Maharaj is having the disappearance day tomorrow.
অনেকেই বলছেন
As many are saying
যে
that
গুরু মহারাজজির কথা
Guru Maharaj's katha
হচ্ছে না,
is unknown to us,
বলা উচিত।
so one should be speaking, but
বলার মতো শক্তি সামর্থ্য
to speak about
যোগ্যতা
him,
কোথায়?
I don't have that much of capacity.
সূর্যকে প্রদীপ দেখানো,
It is similar to showing candle to a
সূর্যকে
sun.
কি প্রদীপ
What I will show
আরতি করা যায়,
arati to
এটা কি
sun,
করে সম্ভব?
how is it possible?
তথাপি
Still,
অবশ্যই বলা উচিত।
oh, it is very much necessary to
বলি
speak.
করি এতে
As
সাহস,
I am doing this with the
চৈতন্য
instruction
চরিতামৃতে
of the Vaishnavas.
একটা
In Chaitanya Charitamrita,
বয়ার মনে আসে,
one stanza is
কথায়
coming.
সভা আলো করে যেন পূর্ণ চন্দ্র। গুরু মহারাজজির হরিকথা,
Guru Maharaj, when he would
উনি
speak
যদি
about Harikatha,
এই সময়ে হরিকথা
if
পরিবেশন
he
করতেন,
was
দেখতেন
over here
এখানে
and
ঢিল ফেলার জায়গা।
speaking about Harikatha, then not even a single
সবাই
space would have
ওনার
been left.
শ্রীমুখে হরিকথা শ্রবণে
Everybody would have been just
হরিকথাই
interested in listening Harikatha from him.
হরিকথাই উনি,
He himself is Harikatha.
উনি হরিকথা,
He is Harikatha.
হরিকথাই ওনার স্বরূপ,
His Swarup is Harikatha.
গ্রন্থই ওনার স্বরূপ,
And Granthas are his Swarup.
আচরণই ওনার
And
স্বরূপ,
practicing is his Swarup.
কারুণ্য ঘনা ঘনত্ব। ওনার গ্রন্থের
As
ভিতরে
he is inside his Granthas,
আসলে এই যে রাধা
actually this Radha Dasa
রাধা কিঙ্করী
or
ভাবে
Radha
উপাসনা,
Kinkari Bhava Upasana,
এই শতাব্দী
in this
এর
generation
আগের শতাব্দী,
or the previous generation,
যারা যারা রাধা
those
দাসের
who
উপরে
had
অনর্গল
practiced this or publicized this continuously, like Nityananda Vangsha Prabhupada, Prangopal Goswami Charan,
শ্রী অনাদি মোহন
Sri Anadi Mohan Goswami Charan from Katua,
Prabhupada
Prabhupada Prankishore Goswami Ji, Kolkata,
হাওড়া।
Howrah.
আচ্ছা,
Okay.
পরবর্তীকালে আরো যারা
And
হয়েছেন,
the
আগের রসিক
previous
মোহন
time
বিদ্যা,
the Rasik
ভূষণাদি,
Bhushan, Vidyanidhi,
অদ্বৈত
etc.,
বংশাবতংশ
Advaita
প্রভুপাদ,
Bangshat,
আনন্দ গোপাল গোস্বামী,
Utangsha, Ananda Goswami ityadi.
শ্রীধাম বৃন্দাবনে
And
ছিলেন
in Siddham
নৃসিংহ
Vrindavan
বল্লভ
Dham,
গোস্বামী,
Nisingha Vallabh Goswami,
শ্রী
Sri
রবীন্দ্রনাথ
Ravindranath
বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়,
Bandyopadhyay,
বিনোদ বিহারী গোস্বামী
Vinod
প্রভু,
Bihar Goswami Prabhu,
এবং গোবর্ধনে
and in
পণ্ডিত
Govardhan
অদ্বৈত
Pandit,
দাস
Advaita
বাবাজি
Das
মহারাজ।
Babaji Maharaj, etc.
এনারা অনর্গল
They
রাধা
continuously,
দাসীর কথা,
they would
হরিনামাশ্রয়,
say katha about
ভক্তির
Radha Das,
কথা,
Hari Bhakti,
এবং রূপ
and
রঘুনাথের
Roop
আচরিত
Raghunath's
প্রচারিত ভক্তির কথা বর্ণন করেছেন।
exactly the way they had detailed about it. they had publicized this. Slowly, steadily, in the passage of time, this Radha Dasya of Achar and Prachar came to limit it. As it will be there for all time. By centering Radha Kunda, the Braja Mukutamani, this Giri Govardhan Tata Pradesh is this one. This Radha Kunda Tat onwards, this Raganuga Bhakti, from here, this publication, this vow, first of all, our Paratpar Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishta, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Das, Babaji Maharaj, in whose name our book library is available. And after that, this Sankalpa started. Actually, this Mahat's prayer and desire, without this, nothing is available. This Kripa is depending upon a mature devotee's prayer. He who speaks and he who listens, what the devotee is having the prayers. So until and unless the devotee is not having that eagerness, so till that time, from that spiritual world, they will not be coming down over here with that power. As because they will be coming among us only when we will be praying. Otherwise, they are not going to come. So, Paratpar Guru Pad Padma Pad raised this desire that let this bhakti start from Radha Kunda. So at that time our Param Guru Maharaj, he stayed over here for 37 or 40 years over here, publicized many granthas, the various pictures, the sadhanas, and many people took shelter of Guru Padma. And he also went towards the old age, and his desire that if some disciple of mine who would be coming over here, and let him develop this properly. And our Param Guru Maharaj's vow and his prayer that had let Srila Guru Maharaj come down over here in this Radha Kunda Tata. And he actually raised him properly. And in relation to this only I will be speaking, that whatever he had received or will be receiving in the near future, behind this is Guru Kripa. With Guru's Kripa, these things can be achieved. By leaving Guru Kripa or just neglecting Guru Tattva, independently if wants to receive the Lord, or even if he receives also, but our Mahajans have said that this is not glorious enough or not proper enough. By neglecting the Guru Tattva, those who want to cross this ocean, their life is similar to the captainless ship.
ব্যসন শতান
The shloka.
সমবহায় গুরুশ্চরণম। আগে গিয়ে তারা
And later they face many difficulties.
তাদের ভগবত প্রাপ্তি
And
সুগম হয় না।
for them it becomes very difficult for them
আমাদের শ্রী
to
গুরু
receive
মহারাজ
Bhagavad Prapta.
এই জগতে
Actually, our Guru Maharaj is not the person of this world. That's why the
তাকে জগতে
worldly
মনে
people,
করলেও
even though they might think that he is worldly person, but his behavior and his devotion and his writings used to give us the proof that he doesn't belong to this world. From Brajanikunja onwards, from Samini's place, from that Nibritta Nikunja, he had come down in order to publicize this Radha Madarja. He himself is Radha Kinkari. And in this way, those who have received his karuna, his mercy, they have witnessed it, they realize it every moment that he is Radharani's Charan Sevikarata. And on the feet of Radharani, on the bed of Radharani, he would just take her feet over his lap and he's serving her. What else to speak about? However, this is all about realization. From Nikunja to that world, that Shakti, and Radharani's talks, he had been available before us. Srila Guru Maharaj was a very disciplined person. He would follow timetables so precisely. Every second, every moment. Or he would move before. His routine would follow always before. Even when he was old age, at that time, in his routine we cannot match up. If he need to travel someplace, 1 hour before he would just make himself ready. Every time he would just look towards the clock. Or 4 o'clock he have the katha, but starting from 3 p.m. he is ready. He would ask, hey, car is ready or not? Or 4 p.m. the part is there. 4 past 5 p.m. he need to sit in the asana. In this Niyam Seva, not even 1 minute he would just lose. Rather, 1 minute before he would just finish up the place. And one day he was just talking to me that you speak 59 minutes and not 60 minutes. By sitting in Vyasasana, he would speak so much. And when he came down from this, and within this time he would just crack jokes. And so high level of talks he was speaking. He was tears full of eyes. And inside the Bhav world, but the moment he is coming down from the Vyasasana, immediately he is a normal person. So at that time he would crack jokes and he would just make us forget. As we can understand, hey, what happened? Oh, bring the Balbhoga. Let me see, what have you cooked today? He loved Singara, samosa. Let me see how is the pakoda. In this old age also, at night 2 a.m. in Shillong, so cold. But 2:30 a.m. he need to wake up. He is not going to stay in bed. And we have seen Asan Siddhi. In one chair, throughout the day he will be sitting. Continuously. He is not going to come in Varanda even. The room where he is sitting, his chair or his asan, only for Laghu Sankha or for toilet purpose, he would come out. But he would just remain over there. We used to run here and there, and he used to say that if you don't sit in asana, nothing will happen. This studying or chanting, for this asana practice must be required. So for him, this asana nishtha was prime. And at night, 9 p.m. he would go to sleep. 9 p.m. one eye drop he would take, and 1 minute before he is not going to take the eye drop. That much punctuality he was having. Every time he would say that those who do not consider him, consider him in a punctual way, in a disciplined way, that person cannot have him. He would say that I have come down over here in a old age time, as you have come down over here in young age. If you want, you can do many things in your life. In this way, he would just put his ways. Or wasting of time. Whatever he will speak from Vyasasana only. Apart from this, he will speak about knowledge as he is a Pandit. No, he is not going to speak. Other time, he is just a normal person. Just simple talks. Nobody will be able to understand where his place is. And just like a child he is. And plus he is having no hope for anything. Towards any disciple or towards any of his disciple, he never asks that I need this, give me this, or bring me a glass of water. He never said that. And in this Ajachak Vritti, he had taught us that throughout the life, never put your hands before others. And simplicity, his smile on his mouth, and stories. He is the ocean of stories. So many stories. Pattabhustak stories, poetry, and so much of laughter he would crack that his face would become red. He would never feel that this is my disciple or that devotee is that Maharaj's disciple, or he is my enemy, or he is my friend. These things he would never have. Every time he would say that remain in Madhyamadikari, remain neutral. By staying in the lower stage, all the problems are there in the lower stage. When the sadhak or the devotee would be moving into the middle stage, so at that time, bhakti towards the devotees, towards the Lord, and towards the needy people, and those who are mundane, negligence towards them. So towards Guru Maharaj, we have found these qualities in him, and he had instructed us. He said that this is seva, this Harikatha, that this, with the help of this Harikatha, this seva is receiving Lord is very minimum than speaking about Harikatha. That's why this Harikatha seva or Grantha seva or Bhakta seva, towards this he was having so much attachment. He never considered a devotee as a normal. Many would say about prarabdha dasha. He didn't believe. He said that there is nothing called prarabdha for a devotee, as mentioned in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Is our Guru brother would go to some astrologer or speak about some grahas or some gems or stone, you need not have to move to any astrology or don't speak about these things. This means you don't believe Bhakti Maharani. In this way, Guru Maharaj Ji always used to feel that separation of Srimati. Always we have seen Guru Maharaj Ji was having that Viraha Bhav, complete surrenderness towards the Gurudeva, his Shiksha Guru, his Vidya Guru. The amount of Atmanivedan, each Grantha, he would just surrender to his Gurudevas. And on the introductory, you will be able to find. And he was not having any anger. He have the anger, but towards the disciple who's engaged in service of him. And never he would badmouth about anybody. As we will be feeling sorry, he would never speak bad things about us, so that others will make us alert. And after that, he was Shastragya. All the time he would busy in reading Priyadarshan, Shuchi. Very knowledgeable person. In deity worship, he is perfect. During the Annakut, he fell sick. On the afternoon also, he came and offered prasadam for bhoga. Slightly he was late. At 10 a.m. he came down for Archana, and Nityananda Prem Gopal Goswami came for his darshan. And on that place also, he gave chair to Prabhupada, and with folded hands he touched his feet and put it on his forehead. In this way he taught us how to respect the Goswami Padgans. After that he offered the bhoga, he did the arati, he had the prasadam, he went for the afternoon lap, and around 2:30 p.m. he got up and took the chanting bag, and at that time he was just fallen from the chair, and he would not speak, and sodium level just went low. And he was very alert in health conscious and about very medicine, that in that much of age also he was having no health issues at all. Slightly constipation, but when that sodium level would go down, at that time one lemon water we need to give. So we didn't realize this. We didn't realize it. We didn't serve him properly. For us, for a normal nonsense like me, I didn't realize it. I could not understand it as the level where he was situated. However, in Annakuta evening, when part was going on, so at that time while going for Mala and Chandan, the garland and Chandan, Sarup Krishna Das was giving. So Guru Maharaj Ji was not responding when Mala and Chandan were provided. So he was just still on the chair. And when part was complete, he was still on the chair. And in this way he moved into the internal world. And after that we moved to hospital, as because there is no hospital. After that, inside Guru Maharaj, we found his Kritagata and loving towards his disciples, and very pure person and very lovable person. And in Shastra, whatever the qualities required for a Gurudeva, all these qualities we are seeing, we can see very clearly on his character. And his talks, his lecture, his wishes will surely be fulfilled. And he is the Radha Kinkari. And for us, he is very, very lovable, very dearable. Crores of fathers, crores of mothers of mine cannot take place of him. Those who have received relatives or parents, these loving are not comparable with his care, the amount of care that he gives. Or let me go to some place, let me learn this, let me do that, let me roam around some place. These things he used to look after. One do not used to feel something like that. Even till date, the followers and the disciple of his, he is still looking after us. And he is praying us for us that our Grantha Seva, you will never feel shortage of money. And you won't find any obstacles. These are his talks, which are very secret for us, which are the Sadhan world's talks. These things cannot be spoken in an open platform. If I speak about these things, then ego will be taking over. Sri Guru Maharaj Ji in Gaudiya Vaishnav Jivana, Haridas Ji's lifetime, that the devotees past ashram ityadi, that which place the devotee have taken birth, these things are unnecessary. By speaking these things, for the devotee will be not considered properly, as because aparadha can take place if one is speaking about the past life of a devotee, like place of origin, caste, creed, religion, these things. It creates aparadha only, and for that he have seek forgiveness in Bhakti Tattva. And he have mentioned it clearly that let the devotee taken birth in any place, any country, any parents, the devotee is having no internal relationship with these things. However, those places, those parents in those places where Pandavas didn't move, those places where Ganga is not there, that all these places, Mahaprabhu's devotees will be taking birth on those places, and those countries, those lands, those valleys will be glorified. So this Gauramandal, that Bangabhumi is having many places. Now names are changed. After the independence, many places are changed. Like Birbhum, Manbhum, Shirbhum. In previous time, these types of names were there. And present, Jharkhand. Tata Jamshedpur place. Chandel, and over there Suvarna Rekha river, the river where Mahaprabhu took bathe, and on its banks Tata Jamshedpur, and the Jila is Sarai Kalida, and Manbhum Jila. This Singhabhum, actually the Manbhum place, and its place is Singhabhum. The lions used to roam around that place. That's why Singhabhum, the lion place. And towards that path only Mahaprabhu traveled to Vrindavan. And till date, over those hills, Mahaprabhu's feet signs are all available. So, on that place in Singhabhumi, on the Suvarna Bhuma river, see Guru Maharaj's birthplace. He was in 1925 AD. Jhulan Purnima was there. And till date that village is there. Sometimes we go over there for darshan. And Guru Maharaj's ancestors, they were the citizens of Jaipur. They belong to royal family. That's why Guru Maharaj Ji was having that royal feel. Many could not copy him, as because the way he would move like a minister, that came from his royalship. The place wherever he would move, immediately everything would come. Shillong, that mountain, hilly place, over there also he is staying in Birla guest house. Now, by staying over here, he had written Nityananda Mahima. Grantha he wrote by staying over there in that place. So, what to speak about him? In the internal world where he is situated. Guru Maharaj's ancestors from Rajasthan, when they were married off, they came down over here in Bengal. And by marrying the royal family, they took the zamindari system over there in Singhadwar, Babu Jarga place. So, for many ancestors, they were living over there. However, Guru Maharaj, life story, his leelas, his pastimes, everybody wants to know. And our senior god brother, like Sakhidas Babaji Maharaj, Srila Mahanta Maharaj Ji, and our Bhakti Das Ji Maharaj Ji, they are very close, and they also belong to that place, and they know much more better than me. However, I would like to listen or we are collecting about Srila Guru Maharaj lifetime, and Corona came in, presses were closed, and many Goswami Padgans and Acharyagans who want to write about this, we have collected it, and it is still in press, and some more people are there who want to add further on his biographies, and we would be happy to offer it over your hands. Srimans Mahaprabhu's Kripa. Next day once again we will be over here to discuss further on this topic. Next day, morning time,